How to set and add a background image on Google Docs. First of all, head over to any web browser. In the search bar, search for Google Docs. Head over to this site. It will land you on this page. Let's start by creating new Google Docs document. So first of all, let me write something here. And then tap on Insert at the top. Click on Image. Right here you can search the image on web and also upload it from your computer. Let me just click on Upload from computer. Select the image that you want to add background. Let me just select this picture for now. Tap on the image and then click on this icon behind text. This will enable text to overlay background image. On the upper left corner, move the margin up so the background image will cover everything. Now resize the image to cover all the page. So this is simply how you add background to your Google Docs. You can edit this image with all the features available here. So this is it for today and I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.